Meet Charles show na wo hwe Meet Charles about Worcester Bonten so ene chairman ba ko pe chairman Ololo ba ko pe e wo Worcester but senior akwaba
yeah official pass
fiko metu yen fita se ni ma ba ni big e wo America Bonten so senior e be din komo na answer na e be din komo no ja o de oni pa ban a wo ye betu ja cause pina name chairman na fe baby e wo sisi street na baby sa na ya to nkomo so kakra senior
right we dey that's it so mama say konye Midian Casa de Adams already. I'm sorry, do no any say from Adams.
Okay.
Yeah, Midian Casa de Adams already. Na Oluno ya de meto menana.
Oh, okay.
Ntina when you papa no friend Oluma say ntina just say Olu ni de from inquire say ntina Olu na be shadow Midian Casa.
All right.
Ntino me from Adams already. But do no say the Olu me the enemy say from Olu.
Yeah, Meet Charles show said me kan na wo hwe chairman akasa kakra na me corporate kakra ba na ya hwe de eto so Meet Charles show na waso gusu wo hwe chairman Olu de kan bo ne din ene house nya ne din Olu no senior yan to so ahaya ma no ne yan hwe wa hyase ni pi how we say bible chain na sefo ene no hia for this show but me ba ya me to many am so you obi a wodi dwa wo ye wodwuma bibia ye kusa say na o si start ye e wo manone
onia we dey asam no abi no abusa no say panifo say otu anamo a ana okowani na me start ye aduma we no so ayade bi a eduma ko adum pempen so we me say barbershop ya me start ye no me started from a garage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. At least na menya baba me ba kuma na menya baba na me ba na me brother na wo
because baba na so power barbering shop no
I know so well nti na me brother ne namfofo ni ade nti do baby no me obia na obia ma me $10 me brother no ne namfofo na obia ma me 10 e say nti weekends na me adwuma Monday to Friday till Saturday Sunday na mo fi na me dey eat trade na we starting kakranka krasa but you do baby no say me eat trade Saturday and Sunday no asika me nya no it say dem akọ adwuma Monday to Friday nti na encourage me ma me ye dey go so baba no nti mo no me ye no na me say to so na ni eye fe nti me to dan na me dey me garage start here to started from a garage and adwuma so my no for about 15 years ni more than 15 years I'm so back from where na me start here but me ba ha me bi adwuma ye ankasa de 12 years ni.
Oh great.
Yeah anti
yeah senior yan hwa de abrochire so you for oba for the challenges now go through the how now how bo
oh how ni de oba if they say depending insabrochire na okwan obi afa so de to kwan am say ye wo ye krom a ye nim de wo nso na ja ye nim de wo abrochire de wo kwakohia ba ya dwen nyina ye say once wo kwabrochire nko de wo be survive ebi no survive ebi so survive
and be so ba hoye
ni nyina no eye ekwan afa so de tu kwan na me say me tu kwan no na misa me no di 20 yes na misa no 26 years no mani na ma you know me nya visa na me de buy na me brother so hard ti me buy no say me na me nim say so de visa crava bridge untimi nya adwuma asa niema kitingitinti de obi nkrata na start ye adwuma na ade ama I mean ya fam nkrata asem say we start afi say warrior and son when nkrata na ade I think say we a common story will be anim see any dey me person stretch deep but
yan hwe e dey na ma broche ya brochire na dey na hwa ye memu ho a lucky kakra
me bie madwuman dey ma brochire ni say aha no emra ya adwuma ana you protect professionals you protect businesses ade ba ko ma hunu no say wo ye business we already start business you are well protected kakra enye bibia mrada ho nti so so follow mra no a eboa oman no a eboa ayi krono out so no a nti no krono they make sure say requirement no mu hia no 1 meet ana dey bi wadwuma se boa wa oman no so benefit because obi ahia obi chain of business and you will enjoy one who employ in Crawford, two who to tax my city no, who send to tax my federal government. There's a never be brave you ma so it grow because
when a certain business our brochure now man is so at metum
oh man is to metum
compare your whole Ghana kakrana what you say the from be no
compare the from be ya to sin be brave ya to enema I think say rules and regulations na ye di bi adwuma no ana say ye di start bibi no e ho no atosin kakra Ghana no man say da nya adwuma mo bi Ghana na me mechanic me sun adwuma me be ba say na me fuel injection pump service yeah na me service big trucks I mean me sun adwuma at the age of about 16 because me call technical school me call ATTC into me wo ATTC nyina na me year part time I see into me call classes na maba workshop sa into enema bebre ho a me year dey me started from Ghana
sure meet Charles so na wo hwe chairman olu egusu kasa me ko break aba me ba chairman ni bedin komo kakra me ho say MPP flag MPP flag kese pa e woni dem with the Ghana flag nti obecha ne bobre ene mo a oyeboa MPP party no and what we should look forward to as a people. Meet Charles Show. Well, meet Charles Show no gusu a wo hwe ya ba chairman olu ho chairman gusu kasa chairman na me hwe office here me so we a businessman of the biggest barbershop say Minnesota in America one of the biggest barber shops in Worcester
yeah
me saba han me say 3 or 4 in one sound to normal plus office ankasa e be ba normal auto no so na man for ho de wo ye na me hwe o dem on MPP flag no wo hakese we a party member ade adwumede na odi man MPP party no ade amwo na odi bo MPP party no ade na mo ye as party members obo Worcester obu kompo akohwewachi wa Ghana yes fix the country fixing the country ade na wo kafa ho senior
me da so obu sabi a good over to MPP flag o mahasen I think say MPP party me wom na me don from Ghana
okay before you even travel abroad
no na manage ho party manage ho and I food soldiers yeah they did from beginning me name me brother back okay and they grow Ghana na you ba hase no so no we say me be ye baba na nkrofo ba me nchen awo me started from a garage no say Ghana for no na mo ha na boys in bebre me ho na mo ba every weekend near Tanasi, Omuba mi yom near Tansa Boncomo, near Anunum bi kakra. Nti party no just I say some share hano when it young account for no dear when you Ghana just a nipa most no na obiado MPP. Nti yeah say better MPP party nti MPP party no Worcester me na me tie
MPP party
no any there no doubt obia ni me na me start here like my garage one they start here with the people
meetings
yeah meetings
man for deals
of course indeed the whole thing not started on me and there was a chairman Ajay Eboa not on next town Springfield in Massachusetts na or no Springfield no so now or running for national chairman of the whole US no Springfield in na I has no Ghana for the wa have more it's no for bahase but na omunya ba bion be meetings nti nyankopon ya adom nya big place na sign barbershop and go for ban on internet information center into Barbie home in or so. Start here with friends. Yeah, they started as MPP. It did more a party ama akonanim at least your chapter your timenya say MPP for omo way director of finance our MPP head office my brother Collins Nyama or my cousin honestly me started Kofi Amoyao also buy over started wa onu nyina be hu me no so o nyina o mani GMPP
show interest or party
no Kofi Tonto so ono so o nyina me garage no nyina started nti o nyina be so mu na nse o so na sabe obia so enim de ko nanim kakra no mani G party no nti so e push o mo ama o nyina no obia do national level I say at least kakra na started wa no yetimia breedy a lot of good people in for the party.
For the party.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dear. So it may start something mega and then you know can see people cry free national offices.
Offices, yeah. Party ni dia ya dia chirache ya try take it near call Tezex tamwa 2006 08 akufo be kono Alencho Martin akufo name it omo no standing na munyina ba Texas me ko share you call Maryland you call New Jersey New York everywhere but be at some point for buy big idea we contribute a lot say bibia because ade a open no na open enye say bia ye didi akire kwa ana ye pe no so no ye pe de yie ye po mani ye pe na ye hu ni say so money see here me make maka say me babu chire no me almost 22 years my better more my life ni na be I had my tua my contribution me taxes ni bibia even though I'm from Ghana but I know say one day I'll go back but I want to go back and get a good environment no man who say kro so koso information ya from Ghana no near dey say all the compare I think say Ghana ye kwa kakra. But party politics you know I don't know
yanto aso chairman matter fix the country yeah one movement and fixing the country and so another movement of Ghana said the okasa for many years now o you say bibia okay o Ghana ana de na aye okay I was okay about ban ambaso yenye ana de na enya okay I was ban it me bam quickly as a matter of urgency na omo me hwema o man it me tumpo
ready na me na say the army tie fix the country and fixing the country no me hwemu I mean almost fixing we are fixing the country the government is doing his best to fix the country ana fix the country and then what potting a day potting pa no mo pese yem fix it e ma manfo nu hu say we ya fix we because all kinds of fix the country untimi gina bibi potting so say fix we
mainly they talk about jobs infrastructure policies I mean these are basic things
these are basic things but so share MPP government here or TCC here I mean basic infrastructures policies I mean good policies for the country no I think say kakra minimum no since I'm back so be for 4 or 5 years in men call Canada but with the information minya anybody you do level you do free SHS national health insurance policy for businesses niema banking system the way na Ghana a collapse on my be fix banking system any I mean yes diverted to digitalization no ecosono unia I think said the government is doing his best Allah gradually still we need more but kakra you can't fix the country one day
okay
if you America up to date they are still doing politics they are still fixing things they are still doing infrastructures in nema you know if you are say economy all the time Allah untimi nya bibia pepepe but in kakra so obi ye bibia now so you be to us and now you be boa and no man ko nanim. But you can't just sit down and say face the country. Now what to own yahwe and I say boa contribute to obiam person to tax and their system is very broke. The system is very broke out to the, and Sancho to the point say we say Ghana no is so corrupt say your system is team no so what trust will be changing nipa overnight and I say with policies are
Obenyasam
they will hit you back. If you won't call for no man cry no and as a party members in the cry no they will not be happy because a corruption are unforced normal but normal.
I'm sure say it will take a bold leader to fix the system because yes it might cost your presidency just like Mampanyina for the kind say so obe fix galam say na mpo walo su krampa ope onye sure say ye hia bebisa na o minute metal pon
yes I think say democracy there and dictatorship. I think say sanity democracy is democracy and intina what Akufo-Addo is doing now he don't look back to what people are saying but focus on what you are doing because Sedebiano if for a leader now obe hit back about what people are saying obi abeka wansam obi abeka bibi enye bibi ana obi kan ya na wakoye o na so obi kan ya na waye say a big problem and the whole full say o man no next 50 years next 20 years this is what I want the country to be. Now what's a plan no go ahead and implement it.
Okay.
So that say ubenya backlash said the Nkrofo kan. I no nkyere say ubeja ya na say no nkyere say system ne nye. Cause Nkrofo beka by no nkyere say system ne nye because I have a people who are almost dear dance here even West Africa no people are they go to Ghana and they say wow my idea Ghana is moving forward. Ghana has a good leader who is leading the country. Ghana has a bold leader. When he gets foreign trips in that idea, when he talks to the whites, they listen and they know what he's talking about and they know say he has a vision. But and when Obi Abeka, it is the amount for can politics. Obi Abeka need there. But as a leader, focus what you want to do. There's nothing wrong. The 8 years no so. Ghanaians has a mandate to vote, either to vote you out or to vote you to continue. And the two-party system in Ghana and that's everywhere in democracy. And say up to the Ghanaians. So what I say
for them to decide for who to lead Ghana in the next election.
The next election.
All right. Chamalulu say your politics. Chamalulu say I say I'm managing your plan. Nefe Mampanyina vision. Me co-break aba ama chairman beto aso. Yeah, chairman one. You go so. Na me ba say no. But who say wadwuma ha no. I 3 in 1. I'm say who do dwa hodo. Then now you know what I say. Oh,
I say the main focus was the barbershop, but with time on that. My day in Tade, in Pabua, my sign agent, my phone companies like Simple Mobile, H2O, Leica Mobile, and Metro PC. Yes.
Yeah, I'm Pabua no, and in Tade, I Ghana from Pabua na said yeah.
Oh, David, Italian goods, me torn Italian shirts, me shirts and also many micro London.
Okay.
I'm more London. I'm shirts na meton and Italian shoes.
Yeah, but so when you are Konya, what in Ghana didn't be fra.
Oh yeah, more Ghana want to and one kakra what say Ghana flags ne
souvenirs, parties of
Ghana honiama. Because nkwala no omo graduate here obi obu pe kentegu omo pe Ghana flag something African if the anytime omo ye program bi at school omo pe African ni bi ami omo ba timi ton se ni mani nyina bi
yeah chama ne yen ho as I before ye obi man so ye te sen nuado bi wo ho tema bi wo ho Wabatna Hatch about 20 years in it. How do you see the Ghanaian, the American Ghanaian, and as a Ghanaian in America, and now young one how crab you free Ghana buy Wabatna? Yes, you mind to say young when you know. Oh,
my can is a nipa in Ghana for Jumana me said Jumana me and Ghana for about 90% in the Baha. Yahoya home Ghana for no. Yadoy home, Ghana for your home. Don't get me wrong. de ho say asam tu obi e wo krom ha na ohwe say da manfo be keka mo nipa depending how obia dey associating ho to the society so that obi ho ha on penipa mu ba obi ho you know obia ne said o dey o ne niema na wo hwe mu de a ye do ye ho na emwo mu ti say na o amafo so na Ghana for ye mu ani twetwe 90 nipa society ni obabia but so hwe mu pa de a and I won't get you wrong Ghana for ye do ye ho itimi ye kan ho bom na ni na gina leadership so that say ni na so de politics no Ghana ane e de abaha na de no so de obi atinye mase akwanto mu no eden minimum wo so ni me hwe so de even kra no bae nkita ho de yetira interacted di nkomo de we I mean reception kakra de ma wa wo so me open up no you are free to talk to me sure. And they say they will do this level it is say udu baby ni na di nipa no say wa usu out the nam yeah to say me say you know me a free open minded guy me ko baby me dream dey obi one the Rebecca and the positive side in Ghana me hwe amani nkwa yes and ahwe Ghana so Ghana for your kroma de mayor no kra kan say in fact yes see ahwe nipa mu pa ntina make say yan Ghana for do ho ana for so you need too much high crime rate no because what Ghana for no what you compare issues na say what you compare other countries no yeah about 1% and 0% out of other nationals just yes Massachusetts as inti ama mayor no crowd on dey okan oni share bia okan Ghana for so your boy home modern even other countries say Nigeria for Liberia, Cameroon, ni other people no omu wo Worcester ha especially Kenya for so but o said the Ghana for kike ho no a ye more entrepreneurship adwuma sam ne ye de ye pay yes ana yes ana when it comes to say ya bo bi ma so ba ye ne din say per say ye bibi e wa ha ye per say establish wa ha more nti o hwa nti ne Ghana for shops your African shops more your Ghana restaurants your club or yeah so that's nti o hwe mu Ghana for your boy home modern war in terms of akwantu mu ne bibia mu compared to other nationals no obia any ne lie there na so o hwe say the Ghana for ye tie no a ye more into you know
sure yeah nti o hwe no de no metu pa na so o ba ha o hwe so Ghana ni BCS here what are the two main things I was so you much aware and I focus on
well
we are brand here nyame ado see from
the American say we are brand depending on make say e status obi ade ba komu a obi o ha ya fireman or a young guy or a young girl waba and they say we too much they are the best thing is education
so ko school
so quick and then me na so jina nipa aba be sini so abrochire no nyina jina nipa aba be sini so how helpful a person o head oboa ma ko anim obi o ha obetro no oba ya na o the education na shia say madam for kroma de o ho beto wa na say obenya good pay job a school pay na obetima ye ana say wo be bi adwuma say dem na bi ma adwuma yi adwuma bi enye easy enye
ho komo later na last submission in general like then I work at to na fe won tie bia for Ghana
they make a chat to say young Ghana for a while obia I think say ya mobia fishapa
okay
afiason yeah she parties were house to house any places Asia ya mobia fishapa afino that's is nyame dia abedu pepper so bi na ye be ko afifu from chaka na for be minu miensa ye ko afifu from empire ye bo say ye pese be tia samboni bi ento obi anya hwe ye obi anhwe ne ho so ye na afino enyo Ghana for so anemu amutie so ye mo bia fishapa especially na me lady wa ha say
okay
oko last November year nti lady I really love you, I miss you. Or I say, no, me ma me de bia na I say, yo so yakwa, me so yakwa, na de bia you
yakwa.
Yes. Oh no, you trust kakra, but oko ma fe no.
Sure.
Me chia me sisters no me ni ano mo aka nya Ghana. Me chia obia.
Okay. All right, this is Chairman Lou, your bar not shop and in the office. On your bedin komo abrochire mu nsensem na exposure na experience bia o de atodwa meet child show na wo hwe yeda mo asese mo hwe yen da se na yeba se hia na ne omomu wa konto omomu Europe America elsewhere you know mo hwe na yedin komo na onya bibia asua efrem meet child show subscribe to this channel.